Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to clear autofill data in Google Chrome. This is useful if Chrome is filling in old or incorrect information. So let's get started. Step 1, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2, in the top right corner, click the three dots, then select Settings. Step 3, from the left menu, click Autofill and Passwords. Step 4, you can clear autofill data from these sections, addresses and more, and payment methods. Click into each section and remove any saved information you no longer want. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go to addresses and more. And you're going to see an address right here. All you have to do is click the three dots right here and click delete. And a pop-up will occur that says delete address. This address will be deleted from this device. Click delete. And that's it. Another example is you can go to payment methods, and the same concept will be like the other section right here. And all you have to do is click the three dots and click delete. And that's it. You have successfully cleared autofill data in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.